lovely people, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm gonna show you how can you send HD videos on WhatsApp without compressing their size. So you have to go to your WhatsApp, of course, and then head over to any conversation you want to send your video to. And once in there, just tap on the paper plane icon or the paper clip icon, and then tap on gallery, and then make sure to turn the HD button on the top right, and then just select any video you want. So I'm gonna select a video now. Just wait for a while. So I'm gonna select, let's say, this one. So once you do that, tap on the paper plane icon, and as you can see, as it is set to HD, it will be set to high resolution and the quality won't be compressed. So yeah, this is how you can do it too. Hope this video will help you out. If it did, make sure to comment down below. It will please let us know, and it will just make our day. And please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. It helps us grow. Hope this video, and we'll see you in the next video.